folks. Let me turn this off. Yeah, hello, folks. It's me again. What's new? Oh, I forgot last time. What I get? I'll do two things in this video. I picked up a yeah, I'll do two things in this video. I picked up some at Lowe's max heat or high heat max 1200 degree Fahrenheit Krylon. Here in Canada, I went to Home Depot to get some, and like there's almost nothing, and where all the what is it? What the hell's that brand name? Krylon and all the other the usual paints people buy. There was like none left, and you can tell there must be a shortage of one brand because it was being filled in with like some other weird brand, and I'm like, ugh, okay. So when I went over the border, Lowe's had this 1200 degree Fahrenheit high heat paint, so I picked up two cans of the same. That's what I got. So that's what I got. What else did I get? What was there? I picked up something else. What was it? That's it for this video. Short little third. I'll put this in another video. So don't forget to lick the subscribe button if you have a touchscreen. Smash it if you have a computer. Use it. We'll go right in the corner. Right through the monitor. Like, subscribe. Let all your friends know about the channel, and I'll just keep pumping out videos whether people watch them or not. So thanks for watching.